Hello everyone. Today what I'm going to do is show you real quickly how to use your MKV files in Camtasia Studio. It does not have support naturally for it. I'll show you here. Here is a MKV file I have. Look at the media info. We'll see that it's 1 hour long. It is a Matroska file. I hope that's how you pronounce it, but it's an MKV. And here's the size, 1.21 gigabytes. I'm using 1 hour just so you'll get a rough idea of how this works. Better calculating. So close out of here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it over. You'll see the little red no sign, the circle with the slash, meaning it will not accept it. I'll go up here and show you one like here's an AVI. You'll see that it will copy just fine. I'm going to remove that because that's not what we're going to use. We're going to use this. What we're going to do is quickly convert this. If you use some of the software that's out there for an hour video file, it will take about 1.5 hours to 2 hours to convert it. And I'm going to do it in about a minute. I'm going to double click this little batch file, which I'll explain momentarily, and it's going to do the convert for me. And I'm going to put a little timer on it so you'll see how long it takes for this one video. So it's going to be in real time. All I'm going to do is double click it. It's going to create a new folder and place the converted file within that folder, which we will copy into Camtasia. This does use FFmpeg, which is a free download. Okay, it begins now. You'll see here the times, 11, 13, 16, 18, 20 minutes already. And 30 minutes has just been converted. This is only going to take a few seconds. I thought it would take longer. And it's converted. This is the folder I just told you about. Created just now. You'll see I will match 10:23 a.m. It is now 10:24. And here is the MP4 file. Drag it in, and you'll see now it's the copy is now an option. And there it is. So you can drag it down here, and you'll see on the display here that it is registered as a valid MP4 file. And to catch up, there it is. I'm going to scroll out just a bit. I guess 7 minutes should be okay. And there's the picture, so it does work just fine. So how did this work? Okay, as I said, it's a little batch file and it uses FFmpeg. Going to open it up, and this is the code inside. I'm going to place this within the description below, and all you have to do is copy and paste it. This works for all files. Right now I'm just using MKV. If it's an MOV file, just change it here. This is the only thing you need to change. If it's a TS file, switch to TS. Any file that you have that Camtasia will not handle, it will quickly convert it into a format that Camtasia will recognize. I'm going to put a link in the description as well to a page with all of my useful batch files with them explained. Please keep checking back regularly because I will continue to update it. For right now, this may be the only code there, but I'm going to continue to add more with explanations for each. This is the only thing that you need to download is FFmpeg. Make sure you put it in your path. If you don't know how to do that, just change this to whatever the correct location is. If you downloaded it to c:/new/ffmpeg.exe, If that's where the actual file is, you can do this, and that will work just the same. But if you know how to put this in your path, then you don't need any of this. All you need is just this regular FFmpeg, and it will run. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and hope to see you again. Thanks for watching.